Wow!
I wanna win you.
It's Ginger's first Christmas with us. Hi guys and happy holidays. So today is December 24. It is Christmas Eve and tagal ko nang gusto gumawa ng vlogmas pero ngayon lang ako sinipag. So here I am. Sa Christmas, here kami sa Parañaque and then for New Year, uuwi kami ng Taal. Actually, uuwi na kami ng 25. Pero yeah, dun kami mag-New Year. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. Papanoorin ko to in the future for memories. But right now, super busy kasi today and gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. Nag-shoot ako for some brands. I have here yung collagen and then blushes, setting spray. So, hindi ko na kwento masyado. Papakita ko nila mamaya. And then, at 3 p.m., meron kaming family photo shoot. Tapos, by 6:30, aalis na daw kami kasi mag-offer-in kami sa mass ng 7 p.m. And then, later, mga 11 or 12, mag-Christmas party na kami ng family. And we're gonna be opening some gifts. And I'm so excited! Hi, Ginger girl! It's Ginger's first Christmas with us, and she's not very happy about it. We're wearing the same outfit. Show the fit. Show the top. Gonna have mango graham. As you can see, it's not even a day in here. And 1/4 na lang natira. Ginger girl. Ginger girl. Hi. Aww. Upo siya. She's actually the model for today. As you can see. Hey guys. Mom's
Pwesto
setting
kayo,
up.
pwesto. Patingin.
Hi.
Pagka sa likod.
Hi.
Madam ka.
Ay, magtagay. Ay,
29:30.
29:30.
Hi. Somebody call Ginger sa likod ko. Ginger girl! Ginger! Daddy!
Dito tingin, dito tingin, dito tingin.
Saan nakatingin si Daddy? Nakailang ba to?
More, tingin kay Ginger, tingin kay Ginger. Kiss Ginger girl. Kiss Ginger girl.
Hindi gagawin ni mami yan.
Sa side na yun. Hi, Ates Vlog. Yan, dito pa. I'm sweaty. So hot.
Hi guys! So we arrived way too early in church. So we're gonna go to have coffee muna. This is our church. This is my sister. No, Eve pa lang. They're debating if we should buy Christmas food. If we should buy street food first or coffee, para diretso na kami sa kape. No, it's open. I was just here. Yesterday, yeah. With Zai. Really ba? It's closed. No, you shouldn't be smiling. Sarado! Sarado!
Dalawang 40. Ito 40 kama, di ba? Dalawa.
Are you gonna eat Pekwet?
No.
Mama, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin.
We're so busog. Hi.
Hey guys.
What time is it?
Happy holidays.
What time is it?
It's 6:15,
Yes, no. On December
2025.
24, 2025. Yes. What do you want? Oh! Hi! Katerno nila yung nasa loob, mga naka-red.
Ay, silent. Dala mo yung cellphone mo.
It's cheesy. Wow, you're wearing lipstick. Hi! Are you wearing lipstick? Let's go, let's go. What are you feeling right now?
I'm hungry.
What are you feeling right
Hungry.
now? Yeah.
Oh,
How are you feeling? Are you excited to open my gifts? Yeah. You say Merry Christmas. This is from, how old are you? From 5-year-old Ayla. Ayla, you like it? It's makeup.
Oh, sino to? Raya, who's this? Look at it. Raya, look at it. Nagliligpit na. Raya, look at this, oh. Who's this, Raya? Who's this? Melody.
This is to Ara and Bob from Ate Maggie and Tia.
Oh, meron pa. May iba pa. Oh, open.
Hey, don't read. Excited ka.
Wala, hindi ba naka-staple yun? Hindi naka-stapler?
I love you guys.
Oh. Naka-stapler, ha? Ikaw magbukas ng kala.
I love you. Gabi, it's on. Ready na.
Ah.
This is to Ayla and Raya from Kuya Zaya.
Ay, pa-open. Anak, naka-stapler, naka-stapler. Si tita, si ate na, naka-stapler. From Kuya Zion yan. Oh, kilala nila, kalaro nila. Tanggalin mo. Tanggalin mo. Sandali, bak. Wow. A bracelet. Gagawa ka. You have to create your own bracelet.
We're gonna make our own bracelet. So cute!
This one is to Ayla and Raya from me.
From Ate Iya. Walang stapler, ha? Wala.
Raya, put your bracelet here. Dali. Para hindi mahali.
Wala. Nandun na, nakikita. Uy, mega!
They have that one dati!
This is to Ayla and Raya from Ate Mandy.
Ay, may stapler. Clarissa, ikaw magbukas. From Ate Mandy naman. Oh, cologne. No, lagay na sa bag. What will you say? From Mandy. Upo ka kaya. Upo ka, Mandy, para kita si Mama. From Mandy. Next.
Let's see, na-swatch ko nito eh.
Ang dami! Wow! Sa akin, bigay ni Mandy. Isang katerbang lipstick. Thank you, anak.
Wow!
Tumama, Ana, from Mandanas Family Electric.
Man, sinarge ko yan. Full charge yan. Grabe, natusok pa ako ng stapler.
Baka masugat ka, ma. Oo, sabi niya ipapali. Ito.
Lulu mo.
Lulu tayo mo?
Kamay pa! Kamay pa! Kamay pa!
Thank you.
Open mo na,
Sabi mo sa,
Papa.
malawa.
You guys share here.
Bye, boy!
Opla, tino pa.
Andito kasama niya. Open, open.
Galing oh, talagang ano sila.
It's a radio! Ay! Babawiin ko na to.
Nabigay na sa'yo,
Hindi yan iyan.
Nagising si Dio.
iPad yan, iPad.
Hindi siguro.
Dami gig sa dalawang yan.
Ayan, planner. Pagplanuhan niyo yung mga buhay niyo. Okay.
Ayos kayo.
Guys, separated yung bigayan namin ng gifts sa immediate family.
So this is from Kel for my two siblings. Yung gift niya
Dylan,
kay
come sit down here.
yung gift niya kay mom and dad, yung brownies na may marshmallow na nawala.
So, yeah.
Naubos.
What is
Wow.
I wonder if it's food. I'm starving right
Is this a wallet? Or bracelet? Or ears? Wow, may paganda pa siya.
What's really good spot?
Wow! Ginger
Ay, ang cute naman.
girl! Ah, so cute!
Lamps,
This is for Ginger from
You're
Kel.
so kind. I'm gonna blind everyone with this.
Next!
Next, let's open yung ano
Tita
yan?
Ana.
Parang tatanggalin mo yung brown. One piece lamp.
One piece! Thank you, Kel.
This is also from Kel.
For me! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Pico Milano.
Yung dream lipstick niya. Pakita mo iya.
Pero
Kiko Milano.
I don't think it's the one I want. Kasi sabi niya, naubusan daw siya.
Wala pang stock nun sa Pinas. Wow!
be grateful.
Oh, Nacho, baby.
I told you! I told you.
The one with the
Katan!
Yeah!
Finally!
Let's play it now.
Thank you.
I know to play that. Let's play it now.
Ate Mandy from me.
Let's see if it's a pink umbrella. It's kind of heavy.
Clapping ko sa sinasabi sa kanya pink umbrella.
What if it was a pink umbrella?
Oh my gosh! Saan ka ito nabili?
Pink umbrella. Tapos,
Cosmetic mirror.
oh,
What?
open it, open it.
What?
You just like
It's pink!
Pink! May
Wow,
stand
ganda.
yan. That's rechargeable.
Is that an umbrella?
Mami.
Ay, ang ganda.
Thank you!
Now she's gonna have to repay you.
Paano yung light? Sasaksak.
Wow! Yung parang sa ano?
Ayun nga, I was like, oh my god.
Cylinders! Oh my god!
Nasaksak nga ba? Hindi, rechargeable yan.
Sige nga, yun.
Pero lobat ata.
Ganda.
Oh my gosh, grabe iya. Saan mo ito nakita?
And it's rotatable. Jan!
Al.
Oh, kasama ko. May akong makeup brush, ano.
Alam ko na yan eh.
Let's open the other one.
Puti na.
Kaya nga inano ka namin eh.
Hindi ako bumili dun sa ano.
Sabi namin pangit yung sa Glad King.
Oo, sa glad.
May huwag na pangit daw dyan eh.
They're so malambot.
Aba, may.
Dylan from me.
Wow.
Nakita.
Ah, my leg hurts.
Oh yeah, this one. Yeah.
Mga one
Ay, ang ganda. Oo.
Apat yan.
Ang ganda!
Two.
Ay, ang ganda. Saan ko nabigyan?
Secret. Galing mo naman.
Yeah, thank you for
Yes, this, this.
Yeah.
No,
we're-
this.
Yeah.
This is to...
Me.
To Dylan.
Yeah.
Sirain mo.
Yeah.
Yan, sa side yan.
Ano mo kay mami? Ayaw madami. Cosmetic.
Cosmetics.
Why is your brain rot?
Bring out my box! Yay! Open it!
No.
You can get ballerina
Guess
cappuccino.
first. Guess
Well,
first.
then it's how
Help
to
me,
do.
help me.
That's also from Giant pala.
Bruh.
Thank you, Zion.
Thank you guys.
Share kami.
I'm not as brain rotted as the other kids though. I don't deserve it.
You could get... Ang cute nga yung kids brain rot. Tingnan mo. Go na, dali. Ang bagay mo. Yeah!
May mga cards din. Wow.
Ginger, come here. Sabi mo.
There!
I wonder. Sabi niya.
She guessed her gift.
Ugly.
Lagi niya kasi yan sinasabi. Pag nasa
Sorry,
Toys R Us
tinitingnan
kami.
pag nasa Toys R Us.
Blind box ng mga pangit na to.
Smuggler.
Si Jayla, anong gift
I don't wanna open it.
I'm hiding this in the basement.
This is from me to Ginger Girl. The wrapping skills.
Oy, Ginger, halika dito.
Ginger Girl, this is for you. This is for you. We got fancy
With
feast.
ballerina, cappuccino, ballerina.
We got another fancy feast.
Ah, Ginger, tataba ka na naman.
And lastly, we got
She's like, what
a
are
super
you?
big Kit Kat. Ay!
What the heck? Complete cuisine.
Wild caught.
It does fit. Yeah, wait. I'm worried.
To Ginger from me. Ginger, this for you.
Ayan.
They'll never see the
Iba't iba yan. Chicken, beef, dami ka.
Ginger!
Ano tong isa? Ay, yung isa sterilized chicken.
From Zai.
No need.
Try to guess what's inside.
Uniqlo pants and Uniqlo top and makeup.
I'll call that. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
We got another paper bag.
Oh, hindi mo na hihingin yung kanya.
Small nga binili niya. Yay! Thank you! Ganda nga. We got a painting. Look at this.
Siya gumawa?
Oo naman. Pinapaint niya siguro. Thank you!
Oh, hindi na ako siya ng
Some PJs.
Tapos, gaming earphones.
Yung kulang ko sa Get Ready With Me palette. 4.
Bruh, ay akala ko easy. Nice.
Thank you. And the letter. Thank you so much.
No, I lost my letter.
This is from Talia.
You can tell he's drunk.
By the way.
Why'd you look at me like that?
Here lang ako.
Drunk
dalawa
guy,
dyan.
drunk guy.
Isa sa heart. So, before I open this,
Guess.
I'm trying to compute all of the things.
Bruh!
You know, from the...
No, it's a thought that counts.
It's the thought that counts, Saya.
Ano ba yan, di?
Ano ba to?
Yan.
Ano ba to?
Dad, that's the gift. You have to solve the puzzle to get into it.
puzzle. Is it?
Ayun na, hilahin mo. Pag yung sa
Ano ba yan?
Ew, what's this?
Wow!
Roro Nova Zorro.
Gandang-ganda ka sa figurine ni Dylan. So, I got you one, pero magkaiba yung pose.
Really?
Ang ganda ng box!
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Nawala ko yung isang sword.
In my office.
Wow!
Thank
And
you.
then I have another one for you.
Oh, it's $1.
It's $1!
Thank you, Lord. It's $1.
Open it.
It's extra juice.
It's extra. Playing cards. A black
Tignan mo,
card.
ang ganda.
Wow, ganda, Mi. Hmm?
Play juice nga.
Golden sword. God!
I like it.
Hi guys! So we're about to leave na. It's December 25 and mag-iisa pa kaming celebration sa Batangas. And this is my outfit. Super init. Akala mo pupuntang North Pole. But yeah, cute naman siya. And I love my makeup today. So aalis na kami. Kasama namin si Ginger. First time niyang magpapasko sa Taal. Bye! Hi baby! Nandito na yung air freshener.
Look at Ginger Girl Daddy. Look at Ginger Girl behind you, Daddy. So cute.
Hi, Tita Les! Anika, hi!
Una kayo. Teka lang. Best of 3. Best of 3, ha? Best of 3. Timer starts now.
One word. One syllable.
Pwede ba yun?
Three words. First word.
Computer shop!
PlayStation.
First word.
Game.
Anika, what?
Game.
Third word.
Gamer.
Mastermind.
Game King. Mega Man.
Megamind. Game King? Gamers! Controller game.
Okay, Game of Thrones.
Words. First word. Up. Fly. Fly. Second word. Super jump. Super Mario. Super next. Ano yan? Super
Twin?
Super twin?
Super twin?
Super twins. Galing. 2 words. English. First word. Bunny. Bunny. Cat. Cat. Kitten. Meow. Pet. Pet.
Catwoman.
Pet. Animal. Animal. Second word. Planet. Animal planet. English. 2 words. First word.
Everyone.
Maganto ka lang, baby.
Tagalog. One word.
Magnifying. Sherlock.
Magkakanap. Pagkano? Nawawala. Magnanakaw. Hindi, investigation. Investigador. Ikaw yung mag- Dapat si Mami yan. Si Mami. Si Mami.
Mami! 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 Hinila.
Okay, for
It's
everyone.
100.
Mami,
For everyone. First to guess, ha? First to guess. Okay. Wala kang salamat.
Sisigaw, wala sisigaw. Ay, sige, lahat sisigaw na lang.
Isang tao lang.
Isang tao lang. Okay, look out, ha? Ready, set, go!
English! 2 words!
Dracula.
Showtime! Showtime!
Pogi.
Malaki. May glasses. Si Kuya Ian.
Si Kuya Ian.
Mamaya pala. Ito GSD, pengi ako.
Masarap yan.
Mabakit. Sino yan? Sobrang, ikaw yan, sobrang selosa.
Si Ate Mandy! Si Sardel!
Ba't silosa ko niya?
Si Tania.
Ay, oo nga! Oo nga! Sabi ko mabait, hindi ako yan.
ko ay maalaga kayo wala. Ano na nga ba? Parang mini-mini dito si
Andre! Ayun o.
Di ba nabi?
Bunot ko ay
Pogi?
makulit,
Pogi?
pogi,
Yan! Ano ko, Pogi?
pogi ata, maligay, lalaki.
Open mo, open. Paraan. Hindi lang gamit.
Para closeable.
Yeah.
Oh! Kakaiba!
Goodness!
Hey! Thank you!
Kay Andre ito, kay Andre.
Barbie! Yay! Barbie!
Wow.
Patingin?
Wow.
Ano kaya yan? Buksan mo! Ano kaya yan? Buksan mo! Ayan. Ayan. Picture mo muna, picture mo muna. Laki na mo.
Ate Francine from
Thank you. Ano to? Thank you, brother.
Hindi na nakabukas ng gift.
Lamo mo!
Bigat ko!
Ayun.
Mahirap kaya, huwag kang bubuksan. Ako na magbubuksan. Lola, mahal yan, Lululemon. Pwede lang ibenta yan. Ay, sandali! Nay! Talaga 2,000! Akin na lang yan!
Pero doon!
Pero ka, 2,000! Nay, sandali! 2,000!
wallet.
Damn.
Sumaya bigla eh.
500! Ayan, 20K? 10K?
Hanapin kayo sa inyo, teka.
Patayampayahan nila.
Kita na yung brand.
Barbie!
Wala na akong space sa display.
Yay! Yung pouch!
Nahihilis ako ng wishlist nila.
Hold on, I'll just get my phone.
Tuhu, tuhu.
Second
Video.
Thank you. I'm gonna open the second one from Ate. And what are you hoping to get?
Hoping to get anything ginger, very specifically this one. And Ate Mandy wants this one, the
The
pink.
pink one, yeah, go.
We're vlogging.
Kumot. Ayusin mo, dali, check mo.
Okay, you look at it first.
Yan o.
Go, Shai, come on.
Again!
Can I have it? Can I have the other one? Give me the dude. Yay! Thank you. Thank you, Iya. Is this an additional to your gift?
Wait, show that po.
Tuwing sinay kami.
Kiss mo ba? Bago mo open.
Bili niya sa akin yung isa. Thank you. So cute.
Ano, nag-unboxing ako isa niyan. Ganyan din yan.
PS5! Woo! Pag-yabi-yabi.
Kanino kaya?
Hindi ka naglagay.
Kailangan may wala tsaka pakita eh. PS5! Hira! PS5! Dalawa na PS5 ko! PS3 naman yan! Collectors.
Naku, microwave yan.
Buksan naman yung
Microwave.
Wow!
Uy! Kuba! Ang ganda!
May
Ako
pag-swimming
ng Pilipinas!
Yung PS5!
Shorts na!
Yeah!
More years!
Microwave. Microwave.
Microwave!
What?
Yay! Mamaya! Gagawin na yan! Oh!
Ay, wow! Mahilig yan sa box.
Open! Open!
Wow, Charleston.
Yay! Max na lang yan! Max! Ba? Talaga naman dami balot pa!
Wow! Nakapahiram ako.
May wallet! May laman! Buksan ang laman!
Peram ako niyan. Ay, thank you. Oh, ikaw dito. Ano yan?
Para sili kayo!
Thank you. Thank you po.
Quarter zip! Woo!
Di ba nasa wishlist ko rin yan?
Quarter zip!
Thank you.